Okay, as you might know, I've been using the S9 for a while with the Smallrig L plate. This base plate is small enough and gives you like a little bit like tiny grip, improves the ergonomics slightly with a lens like this, smaller ones. But with bigger ones like this, it's still not enough. So I thought I'd get something bigger, like this cage. But the thing about this cage is that first off, it's just hideous. I think it's got better grip here, but the rest of it, I don't know why they. This looks ugly. Let me just show you. Let's put it on the side. Just slide it in. Screw this on. All right. So just look at this. This looks hideous. Oh, what is that? I really don't like the brushed metal shaved surface detail. Just makes it look very tacky. And the mounting points are not that useful. Like I wish it actually had a NATO rail and also just flat surface. One big issue that I ran into this is, let me just show you what I ran into. The issue I have with it is the DJI mic. So first, let me just mount it here, which blocks the view, but that's still okay. But you want to hopefully mount it here, right? But if I do that, let me just get closer. Because of this brushed metal detail right there, which seems like it's there for no reason but as a decoration, it gets blocked. And if I push it in, I mean, right now it doesn't go in, but I can really push it in. But if I do, I'm gonna scratch it because it has already been scratched. So that's a real big miss. And it doesn't get in I mean, it doesn't lock itself in completely either. So if I try to do it here, it doesn't get placed securely. Here, if I do that, if I try to do it, it gets blocked because of this metal surface detail, that brushed metal detail. So that's a real big bummer. So I mean, I can install something like MKE400, which would be fine. But anyway, so I thought I would tell you guys that this doesn't, first of all, looks ugly, and then even with something like this, it improves the grip slightly, but I wouldn't say it's a major improvement. Still, it's shallow, but I would say as far as the grip goes, this is say 2 out of 5. This is 3 out of 5. Still better than this, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. So what I'm gonna show you just for fun is I got a few cinema rig stuff that I used to use when I was shooting birds. Gotta install. I don't know what this is called. What is this called? But anyway, I used to use this to slowly focus on stuff, like manual focus without actually touching the lens. I could just use this and put this on and see if this aligns. Okay, yep, it's aligned. Let's see. You see the teeth moving? Yeah, so that moves the manual focus ring. Okay. And a handle up top. You know what? I should have probably put this on first. Just extend it a little bit. Wow, it's already pretty heavy. Okay. There you go. So if you want to build something like this with Lumix S9, you could get this cage. But for anything other than that, this cage doesn't seem all that useful and just makes it look ugly. So let me just mount that now. There you go. Yep. Don't like it. And let me give you a better shot of the whole thing by just placing a smaller lens. You know what? Better yet, let me place a pancake lens. This is a manual lens that I bought. F8 pancake lens. There you go. I'm not liking this look, but you might. So let me just let me give you links to all of this stuff down in the description if you want to check it out. But in my personal opinion, like, I wouldn't get this personally. Like, so just stick with a smaller one. I much prefer this. Or I might actually get a leather case, because I've seen some pretty nice leather cases. And as a preview, I got a ZF recently, and something like that, you know? There you go. So I might actually get something closer to this on here later. All right, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.